Hi, everyone, and welcome back to News 5 at noon on a snowy and windy Monday. Now, the storm continues to slowly move east out of the state of Colorado this afternoon, and it has allowed for some of the snow to come to an end here in the Pikes Peak region. It remains up across the Palmer Divide, and the wind is still a big factor in the forecast through this afternoon. Now, for the snow, main impacts will continue across the southern mountains, southeast plains through late tonight. Region-wide with those wind gusts still up around 50 to 60 with a few spots, maybe seeing some isolated gusts up around 70 miles per hour. So the big story has been those blizzard-like conditions. It's a combination of very heavy snow, pockets of snow squalls even combined with some very strong winds on the eastern plains. All areas shaded in red under this blizzard warning till 5 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. Areas shaded in orange here across the Pikes Peak region, parts of Crowley County and the eastern plains, Palmer Divide as well. This warning goes until 5 o'clock this afternoon. Again, some of those peak gusts could be up over 60 miles per hour. And a winter storm warning that'll continue for the Palmer Divide until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Take a look at the satellite radar combo. Here's the area of low pressure right across the southeastern corner of Colorado. It's going to continue to move slowly to the east. Look at the arrows wrapping around the low. That's why we get that strong north wind. It's a very tight pressure gradient between this and a ridge of high pressure to our west. And that's creating some very strong, powerful wind gusts here locally today across southern Colorado. And snow, which continues to fly down quite heavily across the eastern plains. Most of the heavier stuff now east of I-25, running right along and south of the Arkansas River Valley. That's where we're seeing some of the heavier snow squalls at the moment. And we are getting a little bit of light snow that continues to persist across Highway 24, generally near or just south of the Palmer Divide is where you're still seeing some of those snow showers at this lunch hour on your Monday. But let's put Futurecast into motion. Look what happens as we make our way into the afternoon hours. Stop it by around 3 o'clock. Still very strong wind all across the region and still some snow. But I think between about 6 and 10 p.m., most of that snow for our eastern counties comes to an end. We'll see clearing skies into the overnight hours and some very cold temperatures, even by 11 o'clock, many areas down to single digits. And by Tuesday morning, we're waking up to negative lows, some of our colder spots, single digits and teens for the rest of us. Now let's talk about the wind gusts. As we put Futurecast into motion, I still think we see those gusts around 40 to 60 through about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. Then after that, we start to get a little bit of a break from the stronger winds. You'll see that weaken from west to east. So by 11 o'clock, not much wind in the Springs and Pueblo, but still some gust up around 50 miles per hour for the eastern counties. That trend will continue with a further weakening of the wind in the forecast as we head towards Tuesday morning. So highs today only warming to around freezing in Pueblo and Canyon, 27 in La Junta, 26 in the Springs, 19 in Monument. Check out these overnight lows tonight. Brutally cold temperatures, and factor in still some of that breeze that's left over, and we will actually see wind chill temps in some areas down near minus 15 to minus 20. Here is that super 7-day forecast, clearing out, much more mellow conditions on Tuesday, and then the wind begins to ramp up again on Wednesday, which is in advance of our next snowmaker that moves in on Thursday. So Wednesday, it's a westerly wind. That's going to keep temps in the upper 30s. Some of those gusts could be up around 40 miles per hour. For Pueblo, also a break from the action on Tuesday. No more snow expected here today. You hardly saw any with this storm. Snow showers back in the mix Thursday and again this weekend. Canyon City, a couple of dry days before snow moves in on Thursday. Also windy conditions expected late this week. And for your Woodland Park super 7-day forecast, temperatures near freezing on Tuesday, down to the 20s from Wednesday through the end of the weekend.